Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel Your Everyday Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Zoom meeting application on your latest Mac operating system. First we need to download the Zoom application on your Mac operating system. To do that, first we need to open the Spotlight using the command and space button on your keyboard. Once you open the Spotlight, you can enter the type of the browser that you are using. For this tutorial I am using the Safari browser. Once you open up the browser, you can type in zoom.us. As soon as the website opens, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the website and you will find a download link. This download link will take you to the page where you have multiple options. Since we are installing the Zoom application on our Mac, we will be clicking the first button. It will automatically download the file in your system. Let's open the download folder, click on the Zoom installer. Since I have already installed the Zoom application onto my system, I'll skip this process. Once you are done with the installation, you can open up the Spotlight and type Zoom. If you press enter, you will see the application running. Give this video a like, comment down below if you have any questions. If you want to subscribe the channel, click the subscribe button below, and hope to see you next time.